How's it guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to select multiple objects in Final Cut using the selection tool. Just first I have some intro time. Okay, now just a reminder, this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got software relevant to this and others, and we do upload videos daily. So keep an eye on that. Okay, now back in the program. So first let's select us or locate our selection tool, which will be on our side panel here on the left, and then it'll be the top one, the selection tool. Then if you click on an object, you will see it selects it. And then if you would like to select multiple objects, you drag a selection box over the objects, but make sure it goes past the borders. Because otherwise, if you only select, let's say, over the circle but halfway over the rectangle will not be selected. Then let's say you want to select just the two side ones. Then what you can do, like if you do this, then obviously you'll select all three. So for that, you can keep shift in, select your first object and then your next object. And now you'll notice that only those two are selected. And then on the right here, on your layers panel, which is located by these three little papers on each other, you can also, if you use your shift button, you can also select multiple objects like that. And then just a pro tip, if you keep shifting with your selection box, then you don't have to be right over the rectangle. Let's say we're over the circle and halfway in the rectangle, it will still select both. So that's just a nice little tip to remember. Makes life quite convenient. Okay, then next let's just go to the website. Also, once again, just a reminder, you can visit softwaretraining.co.za for more videos like this. You can also isolate your software by name if you would like to over here, and then you can also search for something here if you don't find it or if you're not sure where it is in the list. Otherwise, if we don't find it at all, you can always just request a video and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, enjoy and cheers.